World War III is bound to happen in less than 5 years. Hi fellows, I'm due to teach you how to use be due to, be bound to, be set to, and be sure to. The World War III is bound to start in less than 5 years. What does it mean to be bound to start? We're gonna talk about that. We want to learn 4 phrases about near future. These 4 phrases are: first, be due to, I'm due to teach you English. Be bound to, World War III is bound to happen less than 5 years, in less than 5 years. Be sure to, you are sure to learn this grammar in 10 minutes. Be set to, all these structures start with be, like I am due to, you are bound to, he is sure to, they are set to. We need to learn the meaning of each of them, the function of each of them, and make examples with each of them. And at the end of this video, we have a quiz, and this quiz is only for smart students. So this was our video roadmap. Let's start. First, be due to plus infinitive. After to, we use an infinitive form of verb. Be due to is used to talk about things that are planned or that are expected from someone, that are expected to happen at a certain time. We use be due to with time expressions mostly. Either the sentence itself has a time expression, or the sentence following, or the previous sentence, you find a time expression in the whole paragraph. The time is obvious and clear when using this structure. Let's read the first example. The clerk is due to be due to count, infinitive form of verb. The money in the cash register every night, and this is my time expression, every night. When is the clerk due to count the money? Every night. The clerk is due to is be due to my future structure, near future, count the money. Now the meaning, the clerk is due to, it means she is expected to. Due to means being expected or being planned. The clerk is planned, somebody plans that the clerk should count the money every night, or the clerk is expected that he or she should count the money every night. So is due to means is expected to, or it is planned that she should. Next example. There is no time expression in this sentence. The police were due to stop the irate protesters. Irate means very angry. Protesters that were very angry. In the following sentence, or the previous sentence, there must come a time expression. Due to with past form of be, where, talks about a future seen from past. A future seen from past. The police were due to. It means that the police were expected to. The police were planned to stop the irate protesters. Future seen from past. Well enough. This example is a little easier than the previous ones. The train is due to arrive at 12 o'clock. The train is expected to arrive at 12 o'clock. It is planned that a train should arrive at 12 o'clock. A reported speech. Did you say reporting verb? We were due to hand in our essays by the end of the week? A question, a yes-no question, and reported speech. We cannot say we are due to. We should say we were due to. The tense in our statement changes to one step in the past. I have a video talking about that in deeper. If you'd like to learn that, click on the link above. Are we expected to, or did you say, were we expected to hand in our essays by the end of the week? The second structure, be bound to. Be bound to means it is likely to happen, or it is certain to happen. To say that something is likely or certain to happen. Be due to, expected, be bound to, likely. There is bound to be a market collapse after the war begins. There is bound to means it is likely that there is a market collapse. There will be a market collapse after the war begins. It is certain that a market collapse will happen after the war begins. So there is bound to, it is certain that, it is likely that. After to, we use an infinitive form of verb. Next example. She said that her divorce had been bound to happen. Had been past perfect. They had been quarrelling every night. Past perfect continuous. We could easily say that her divorce was bound to happen. But we cannot do that because she said that. Here we have reporting verb, and our verb in the statement moves one step in the past, reported speech. You can learn that grammar fully in another video. But be bound to. Their divorce was likely to happen, or even it was certain to happen. Why? The sentence is offering reason. The reason is they was quarreling every night. It is a reason. We have two sentences. The first sentence offer a possibility, and the second sentence offer a reason. The reason for divorce, the possibility of divorce, and the reason for divorce. You need more examples, I know that I'm on it. You're bound to end up in hot water, in trouble. Hot water means in trouble. If you continue spending your money carelessly, you are bound to, this is our structure, it is likely that, you are likely that, end up in the hot water. You're gonna end up in trouble. If you continue spending your money carelessly, you'll be moneyless, you'll be poor. Another example, the student's refusal to do any homework is bound to, is likely to make the teacher angry. It's certain to make the teacher angry. You're not such a student, are you? Bound to is mostly used in spoken English. In written English, people mostly use it is certain to or it is inevitable that. In written English, don't say it is bound to. Say it is certain to or it is inevitable that. For example, the crime case is bound to be closed due to insufficient evidence. This is not a spoken English. If you are to write this sentence somewhere, you shouldn't use be bound to. Be bound to is used mostly in spoken English. The crime case is certain to. So is bound to changes to is certain to be closed due to insufficient evidence. Another example. Challenges in life are bound to happen. If you are using this sentence in written English, don't say are bound to. Instead use be inevitable. Challenges in life are inevitable. Our third structure, be show to plus infinitive. Again, it means be certain to. So be due to, expected. Be bound to, likely. Be sure to, certain. Viewers are sure to call the television network to complain about the show. It means they will call the television network for sure. We are certain that this happens in the near future. Viewers are sure to call the television network to complain about the show. Viewers are sure to. It is certain they will call. You are sure to subscribe to my channel. You cannot find this grammar anywhere easily. And I am due to help you to improve your English grammar. That is why I'm here. This novel is sure to appeal to young people. It was sure to become a bestseller. A future scene from past. Future scene from past. The novel is certain to appeal. It is certain that the novel appeals to young people. More examples. I'm sure to get terrible grade in math as I haven't studied anything this year. As is used to give reason. We are offering a possibility. There is a high possibility, almost certain, that I get terrible grade. I will get terrible grade in math. And this possibility needs a reason. Why is there such a possibility? Because I haven't studied anything this year. This is a reason. Next. That incident was sure to bring on a crisis. Was sure to. Future event seen from past. A future event sure to. Seen from past. Was. The incident was sure to bring on. Bring on means cause to start. Bring on means cause to start. Bring on a crisis. With high probability. And the last one, be set to. It means to be ready. To be ready. Used for near future. Two fighter planes are set to scramble. Scramble. To stop the enemy bombers. They are ready to go and fight with any enemy bombers. Are set to means are ready to. Be set to means be ready to. The rebels are set to bring off a big coup. Bring off means succeed. The rebels are ready. They are ready to become successful. Be due to, be expected to, be bound to, be likely to, be sure to, be certain to, be set to, be ready to. It remains the case. It means on the question, without answer. When the authorities are set to tell people the truth. Yeah, nobody knows that. When those authorities are ready to tell the truth to people. Let's examine 4 sentences with 4 phrases that we have learned so far. I'm due to stay at office till I've finished all my work. It means I'm expected. This is planned for me to stay at the office. And this one, I'm sure to stay at the office till I finish all my work. It means it is certain that I certainly stay at the office. The third one, I'm bound to stay at the office till I've finished all my work. Bound to and be sure to, they are completely similar to each other. I'm bound to means I'm likely to with high probability. Or I'm certain to stay at the office till I finished all my work. So bound to and sure to are similar. I'm set to stay at the office till I finish all my work. Means I'm ready to do it. I'm ready to stay at the office till I finish all my work. Now let's do a recap. The train is due to arrive soon. It is expected or planned to arrive soon. We are set to bring up a coup. We are ready. This novel is sure to appeal to young people. This novel certainly appeals to young people. Appeals to young people. you're bound to end up moneyless. You're likely to end up moneyless. And now, finally, the quiz. Are you set to do the quiz? I'm sure you are. There be changes when the new president takes office. There are bound to be changes. There's a S here, and we should use the plural form of be. There are bound to be changes when the new president takes office. Also, we can say there are sure to be changes. Both of them are correct. David Fincher's new movie, blank, release in August. And the answer is set to release. It's ready. David Fincher has already produced his new movie, and the movie is ready to release in August. And the last one, we blank study for the whole weekend. We are due to study for the whole weekend. We are expected to. We planned. So this is due to. We are due to study for the whole weekend. Thank you all for watching this video. Don't leave this soon. Watch another video. Learn something more. There are sure to be many other videos in my channel that you can learn from. And you are bound to be a hard-working student who doesn't easily give up. And now I'm set to sign off. Until next video, so long.